Do we not go find the park?
Yeah, you can't really see him. Good morning, y'all. It is probably about 10 o'clock in the morning, and Miso and I finally managed to get a good night's rest. I got about 10 hours of sleep, and it was much needed. I kind of downplayed it, but yesterday I had such a bad headache the entire day. It was really hard to keep going, but we did it and we made it. And I think today we are going to hike like 8 miles, and we're gonna end up at a really, really pretty campsite. I'm so excited to get there.
Bye. Yeah.
Look at that. What is that?
A heater, maybe? We got a little sidetracked and found this cool, extremely abandoned home. There I am. Huh. What a place.
So there's. Is that the first turn?
I feel like the water is calling me. Hold on, let me get over there.
I just pick up the keys.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's a snake. Right there. Look behind you. That is not.
Yeah.
He's very small. He doesn't have the shape of a venomous one though. I don't think he's dangerous. You're cute. You're very cute. Alright. Oh dear. Ugh. This is hectic. This is hectic. You got it?
No, we're good. We just look this way.
Bye-bye, waterfall. Yeah, we could do what we did when we visited Yoka. Huh. What in the world happened to this sign to make it break in half, I wonder? That is so peculiar. Look at that, that's so cool. And then there's trash. Urgh. Hey y'all, it's been raining on us pretty hard. But we passed our friend Chirp, and she's been staying at a hostel for the past couple of days, and she said since she started her stay at the hostel, she has seen 10 people get off trail, like quit the Appalachian Trail, which is just crazy. It feels like an exaggeration, but whew, I guess Virginia is really getting to people. So, hasn't really gotten to me yet. We'll see, hopefully not. But we've got a big climb and then we'll be done for the day. So we're super close. Broken down shelter. Is this it?
It's really clean.
It is really small. I feel like that's it though. The old shelter. Look at that. How pretty. Not really. Kind of a mess. Oh well. No, I think this was a privy maybe? Oh no, that was a picnic table. Wow.
That's cool.
That's really cool. Huh.
One beer, and I was out. Knocked out. And they started a big bonfire.
I whisper in my sleep, which Miso thinks is creepy. I don't think it's that bad.
You whisper in your sleep.
I whisper in my sleep.
Right? You started, no. I started 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, now.
15?
Like 2 weeks.
When did you get here? Oh, cool.
So pretty. Just that sign there. Hi.
I'll just leave my, oops, sorry.
You're good. This is Miso's. This is mine. This place is beautiful. Also, we were gonna camp on the trail, and Miso talked me into coming to Woods Hole Hostel because he said he would pay for my campsite. So I was very easily convinced. And when we got here, the lady running the hostel told us that someone had donated a large sum of money and was paying for thru hikers' stays. So I'm staying in a bunk and it's covered, fully covered by a very generous stranger. And between you and me, there's a famous YouTuber here. His name is Darwin. And part of me, he's staying at the hostel, and part of me wonders if he donated the money. I think that would be really sweet and would make sense, I think. So that's what we're doing. Do we just take a plate?
I'm just taking.
Okay.
Taking.
Excellent.
I'm prepared for all things.
Not planned accordingly.
Oh yeah.